everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how to fix your Sony Bravia no signal HDMI enhanced format. So here's a guide to change your HDMI signal format settings. Fix 1. Confirm the correct HDMI input is selected. Ensure the TV is set to the correct HDMI input. Use the Input Select button on your remote to cycle through inputs until the correct one is displayed and confirm the connected device is turned on. Fix 2. Power reset the source media. Ensure your source device is turned on and not standby mode. Then try turning it off and back on. Unplug the device from the wall outlet or power strip. Wait for 1 minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. If it's plugged into a power strip or surge protector, plug it directly into the wall instead. Fix 3. Power reset the TV. Turn off both the device and the TV. Unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug them back in and turn them on. Fix 4. Bypass your AV receiver. If connected through an AV receiver, try connecting directly to the TV's HDMI input to bypass potential signal issues with the receiver. Ensure the receiver supports HDMI pass-through if you reconnect it afterwards. Fix 5. Try a different HDMI port and cable. Connect your source device to a different HDMI port on your TV, then change the TV input to match the port used. Use a high-speed HDMI cable with the HDMI logo and, if possible, test another HDMI device. If that one works, your original device may be faulty. Fix 6. Update your TV system software. Make sure your TV has the latest system software available on your model support page. Fix 7. Clear the external input services cache for your Google TV or Android TV models. Turn off all devices and disconnect the HDMI cables. Go to Settings, then select Apps and select See All Apps. Then select Show System Apps. Then go to External Input Services and select Clear Cache or Clear the Data. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do hit the subscribe button.